9:59, and we're about to go back to Angeles City with my lovely tita guy. There's Aaron back there.
Sa taas na
Getting
lang.
gas before we go. This is gonna be a quite a drive. We're here at Loyola Memorial, visiting my grandmother. She's the one that raised us, everybody. Dito good. Yung step one.
And then what?
Aaron, who's taller? Sit up. Sit up. Yeah. You're taller. We're at Chowking on our way to Angeles. Just got done visiting Lola. I was emotional. I cried. Pretty bad. Starbucks. That makes me happy. Hi, Auntie girl.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm full.
Are you full?
Yeah, I had a good breakfast.
That was a good breakfast.
Yeah, it was a very good breakfast. We will miss you guys.
Miss you too. Back in Angeles City with Pogi.
Yeah.
Where are we going, Pop?
Everybody's cafe.
Everybody's Cafe. Everybody's Cafe is the place where Andrew Zimmern ate all that stuff. We're gonna eat that too. That's gonna be fun. Everybody's Cafe.
May chicharon. Tingnan mo yun.
That's kare-kare. Kare-kare. Dinuguan. Just blood soup. And chicharron bulaklak, which is pig intestines. That's camarón. That's the bugs. The bugs. The bugs. Nice. There's the stuffed frogs. Alright, here's my plate. Bugs. Pig parts. Frogs. Kare-kare. Yum.
Kadalasan sa 5 ng umaga.
Alright, so
Sabi ng gumising.
we can see that.
Normally, tulog pa yung mga tao mo.
Let me zoom in.
Stress, gising na.
Alright,
Isang araw eh. Pero hindi ganun kainit.
that's the thorax.
Hindi ganun. Maganda yun.
Yummy. Ready.
Minsan mainit, kaya lang. Ayun, may hangin ng presko. Mga ganong...
Pig parts. Or pig parts. Pig parts.
Namula lang ang tiyari.
Hot one.
Hindi ko nakita yung stock yung ano. Duga,
Yummy. I already ate the other leg. But here's the frog.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like chicken. My cousin just had to call the manager because there's bugs on his plate. That's full of bugs.
Gusto mo na marami ito palagi siya nandito. Dito naman ako.
Cricket.
Pwede ka na sa...
I headed for some dessert at the Perfect Loft Bakery and Cafe. Nice bakery. Hello, hello. Nice. Thank you. Shaved ice with condensed milk. Bunch of goodies in the bottom. Thank you. That's the white stuff is makapuno.
Ay, makapuno. Sarap yan, makapuno.
Yeah, makapuno. And then that's pinipig, which is
Rice. Cereal?
Yep.
Did you take pictures?
I'm taking a video of me eating it. And the bottom, there's a bunch of other stuff. That's corn. That's sweet corn in the bottom. What else is in there? Ooh, and bananas. This is our version of a dessert. This is good stuff. Very tasty. Ube? Yeah, lychee. Something else, but it's good. Hindi matami.
Hindi. Tama lang.